Einstein was looking for a unified field theory, a theory that would unify quantum mechanics and relativity. But his mistake was in looking for a field. Eddington came along later and showed that the unification could be achieved through the concept of rotation. Now, the rotation in the case of relativity is the curvature of space-time. If you carry that curvature around, it becomes a circle. Eddington recognized that there's also a circle in quantum theory because total uncertainty is a circle. Now, that seems a little far out. You'd think infinity ought to be something more open than a circle, infinite uncertainty. But that was his point, that infinite uncertainty was uncertainty of 360 degrees. Now, if you could push the lens, focus on something outside, and you'll see that it's fuzzy looking. Now, that's uncertainty. But by the resolution of the lens when it's focused, this could produce a clarification. In other words, the resolving power of the lens makes it possible to see the detail, the flowers and the leaves. Now, that resolving power is the certainty. And the better the lens, the smaller the distance between the things that you're resolving. On the other hand, the greater the uncertainty, the larger the distance. And that distance would translate into an angle because we're talking about lenses. And the greatest angle would be 360 degrees. 360 degrees of uncertainty. Like, where is the roulette ball on the roulette wheel? The question is, how does this total uncertainty unify the two theories? And I'm afraid this is going to be disappointing to the people who are interested, the scientists who are interested in the determinism part, because what it's saying is that both the photon and the universe have a will of their own, and therefore an uncertainty, and cannot be determined, cannot be predicted. It's a fascinating idea to think of the universe having a 4 billion year or a 40 billion year uncertainty. But we don't know whether the universe is going to continue or how does it end up. That's part of its own business.